Hey everyone, I hope you are doing well this Saturday evening. Before I jump into today's message, I just want to say thank you so much for clicking on my video and spending a little time with me today. Today I went to my niece Armani's spring dance concert at Renaissance High School in Detroit, Michigan. The girls did such a wonderful job, and that's actually what you'll see playing in my background today. First and foremost, I want to sincerely apologize for not having my weekly Wednesday video ready and uploaded for you guys. I know some of you were expecting it, and I really do appreciate those of you who checked in or were just waiting patiently. Life happens, and sometimes things don't go as planned. But I always want to show up for you guys consistently and honestly as possible. The truth is, I've been doing a lot of thinking behind the scenes. I've been brainstorming, planning, and just taking a step back to figure out how I can continue to bring you the best and most valuable content possible. I'm currently working on restructuring my content a little bit, trying out some new ideas, refining my content, and getting really clear about the direction I want to take moving forward. I want this channel to not just be about posting videos, but about creating a space where we can learn together, grow together, and genuinely feel inspired. Whether you are here for my creative work, my business journey, tips and tutorials, or just real life moments, I want every video to give you something valuable, something you can take with you. So yes, I may have missed a video this week, but trust me, it's because I want to give you even more in the ones to come. Better content, better storytelling, and more of what I think you may want to see. Now, I couldn't let this weekend pass without saying something very special. Tomorrow is Mother's Day, and I just want to take a moment to send so much love, appreciation, and gratitude to all the mothers out there watching this video. Whether you are a mom, a stepmom, a grandmom, a foster mom, a dog or cat mom, or someone who gives that motherly love and care to others. You are so important, so appreciated, and truly amazing. I know that being a mother is truly one of the hardest, most rewarding jobs out there. And today, I just want to honor you. You carry so much. You give so much. And even on the days that you feel unseen or unheard, I want you to know that you matter. You are doing enough. And never forget, you are enough. So from the bottom of my heart, happy Mother's Day, ladies. I hope tomorrow brings you rest, love, and joy, no matter what that looks like for you. Thank you all so much for your patience, your support, and just for being here. I don't take a single one of you for granted. If you are new here, welcome. And if you've been rocking with me for a while, thank you for sticking around. Big things are coming. I'm excited, and I hope you are excited too. The subscribe button is below this video on your right. Please feel free to subscribe if you would like, or drop a comment in the comment section letting me know what type of content you'd like to see in the future. So with that being said, take care of yourselves, stay creative, and to all the mamas, happy Mother's Day from me, MJ at Spilling Teas. You are loved. See you Wednesday.